Hello, hi. I think I am already live. And today I want to share just one product that is my favorite. And I'm coming to you completely raw with no makeup, nothing, just after shower because I used that one cream on my face and it will be about skincare today. I was sharing last week about nutrition products. That's my passion, honestly speaking, healthy lifestyle. And I shared one of my favorites product from nutrition side. And today I want to share one of my favorites product from the skincare side. So whoever is hopping on live, I will be doing a on time raffle. So whoever is live will have a chance to win a raffle for a surprise. I'm preparing for you guys something really special so you can try one of my specials as well. If someone will be watching recording, please type in recording because I give you time all over the weekend and until Tuesday. If you watch recording some other time and you type in recording, I will do another raffle for people that watch the recording later. So before I jump in to informing you what's my skincare cream that is the most loved by me, but I will be honest with you, there's much more than just one, but it's honestly one that I cannot go sleep without. I wouldn't just shower and go to sleep if I wouldn't use it. So before I jump into that, I wanna make sure that you know what is Arbonne because maybe you are watching me for the very first time and you have no idea what that company is. So I work with Arbonne over 7 years right now. I fell in love with the products right away, and that was the reason for me to try. I'm not gonna lie, to just try the business side. And here I am, over 7 years, 7.5 passed already. And if that wouldn't be worth it, I wouldn't be here, just being honest. So number one, I want you to know that Arbonne is a corporate B certified company, and our products are vegan, gluten free, certified drug free, tested by IG lab tested. So it's very good for products or nutrition side for anybody with diabetes problems, halal certified, cruelty free, kosher, as well as non-GMO project verified. So those are really good certification for the product stands for. And I fell in love with products for skincare, and I loved getting to love with nutrition side, and that become my passion. So I would love to share what is my one product that honestly speaking I cannot go to sleep without. And there are three different choices for the same product, honestly speaking. So before I say it again, I will keep you a little bit longer here. I will go over what are the skincare lines because we have so many. You have choices and choices, and you can pick and choose, honestly speaking, what's good for you. So one of them is H-Well. What's really interesting about this line is bakuchiol, stabilized vitamin C, and sustainable plant stem cells extract. So whoever is hopping live, please type in live and there will be a raffle after live, or if you're watching recording, you just popped in, just message recording. And there's one deadline that you can pick products for your skin. Second thing that is just growing and starting in Arbonne, it's something that it's coming up as a new product. It's a derm results. I'm already using one of those products, and I will be using next month another product I will be testing it, and for sure I will make some live about it. Then you have another third line to pick from, which is Ari9 Advanced Lifting and Contouring. Those are a couple products to pick from, as well as BrightenUp line that is very specific for making your skin just bright and shine. And as I'm coming to you, as I said, raw, no makeup, just after shower and with one product on my face only, I want to tell you that these products are made in order to make your skin really shine and be beautiful and have no whatsoever problems. But on top of those lines, we have also men skincare line, of course, and we have smaller lines, like I would say for younger skin, not exactly going for fine lines or wrinkles, but just keeping your skin young and avoiding that problem. You know, going preventing is easier than repairing. So if you are young and you want to prevent, that's a lot better. Also, we have Urban Intelligence line that I love as well. It's just hard to pick one of them, but I have one product and I will share it tonight. Urban Biohydra line that is really good, and Clear Future for people that are having acne, as well as we have Super Calm line. So this is for people that are having honestly a very sensitive skin and need that sensitive touch help for your skincare line, especially on your face. So that's all about the skincare lines for ladies or men, younger skin, older skin. And I just would love to share what is my favorite. Just the one that I honestly cannot go sleep without. It's a night cream. If I will wash my face with shampoo, I'm fine. If I will wash, I mean, after wash, I won't use toner, I won't use eye cream, serum. I will be just fine. I mean, my night regime, it's a lot bigger. I wash the face with a cleanser. I do use toner. I have serum and eye cream. That's obvious. Sometimes I add intelligent pads, or I even add some oils into my regimes. But the thing is that if I, for some reason, go somewhere for trip or leave the house, and I don't have my whole regime, the one thing that I honestly cannot go sleep is without the night cream. And you have three choices. You have so much to choose from. Night cream from RE9 line. This is something that is, it's really hard with the light and everything to show it properly. So that's a box from RE9 line night cream. My favorite that I fell in love with Urban, and I'm still having it, still using it. But the second thing that it's really a lot better, it's something that it's aged well with bakuchiol night cream. That's something that I fell in love as soon as it comes on the market. I could see the difference with this night cream. I don't know, within a week, like the difference on my skin was very visible. Newest line is the BrightenUp night cream. I mean, BrightenUp is the whole line, but the night cream is amazing. It's very gentle, a little bit more gentle than the night cream from HWell. It goes with this BrightenUp skin look, so it works for your glow on the face. But night cream from RE9, this is something what I have today on my face after the shower. It's so gentle, it just soaks into my skin. And yes, after the shower today, I put only night cream in order to show you if I'm shiny or if I'm matte, if I'm having, you know, anything on the skin. It's completely raw skin, just showered with the night cream on it. I will finish my regime. I will just do the toner and again night cream before I go to bed, because it's not that late and I can just add it up and go to bed with really heavy, good, the way I love it, night regime. But honestly speaking, this night cream is the best. It's a bump. I love it. And every single one that I have at home and I will be using, that's the number one that I cannot go to sleep without. I feel dry if I don't put anything on my skin. Even though it doesn't matter how much water I drink, or I drink some nutritions also to put hydration into my skin, and you might do the same thing, but still your skin needs hydration from the outside as well. So that's all for tonight. I just wanted to share one product, and I will be keep going and doing this because it's really hard to pick for one. So like my nutrition product I shared yesterday, skincare line product I shared today, and I will be sharing next time my makeup, which I am completely not a makeup lady. This is the thing. I got out the shower, put the night cream for you guys, and I put also a lip gloss because this is a bump. And even though I can go and go to sleep pretty much soon, I can have a lip gloss on my lips to just moisturize them, to keep the moisture, even though I'm going to sleep, because this is an oil that keeps the moisture, and this is such a good thing. I feel so moistured on my face after putting it, and I don't care if it's like 9 p.m. and I'm going to sleep and I'm putting on, or it's during the day, or it's early in the morning, I just got up and I need to moisturize my lips. So it's also on my face. I completely forgot. It's just, a reaction. I get here by my computer and I always lose it. I mean, use it. So next time I will use and I will share my favorite product from makeup, which is really hard to pick. And I use maybe 3 or 4 products from makeup, not a big deal. But off of those, I will share my most one that I cannot like go out without, let's say this way, because I don't do makeup every single day, but if I go out and it's something special, I will at least do one thing and I will share that one. I already have in my mind what is it. So watch out for lives soon coming about my next lovable products, and one by one, hopefully I will be able to introduce you to the whole catalog, because I am using the whole catalog and I know every single product, how it works, what does it do, and how much do I love it or not. It might be this way too. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you are watching live, please type in live, so I will just draw a raffle for people watching live. If you are watching recording, type in recording until Tuesday. The recording comments, people will go into the second raffle and I will create a package for you and you're gonna get it in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, spending some time with me, and see you next time. Bye bye.